Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Just picked this up in the charity shop for £2. Neon sign writer. Contents: signboard 50 by 20 centimeters, 25 board pegs, 2 plastic feet, power bank, battery operated, blue light up wire 2.1 meters, an instruction manual. Requires 2 AA batteries, 4 settings: on, off, flash and pulse. And I looked at it in the charity shop and I thought the box was empty because it's one of those over packaged kits. That's it, that's what's in it. So instructions leaflet, the little pegs and the feet they're on about, the board, which is cardboard, and then this, unopened, so this has never been used. A bit of wire and a battery box with a button on it. So we need 2 AA batteries. There is some circuitry in there, and I was reading this and I was quite interested. Electroluminescence materials give out light or luminesce when an electric current is flowing through them. Among many possible applications are safety signs and clothing for use at night. At the core of the wire is copper, which is coated by a layer of phosphor. Energy from the battery pack flows through the wires and provides the electric current needed to make the layer of phosphor glow. This is covered by layers of coloured plastic to protect the inner layers. How the circuit works. As far as circuits go, your EL wire circuit is fairly simple. All it uses is the wire itself, connecting wires, an inverter and a power source. The power source, in this case is 2 AA batteries, not included, starts out as direct current. The electricity from them then runs through the inverter, black box, and passes through several important components. The transformer, made up of 2 windings of wire around the same core, converts the charge from the power source side to the EL wire side using something called electromagnetic induction. Also in the inverter is the transistor and a switch. The transistor helps the current to change direction and go back and forth over and over again, whilst the switch lets you turn the power on and off. This back and forth electrical charge is what keeps your sign glowing. The wires from the inverter are connected to the copper wires inside the EL wire C to complete the circuit. So I'm not going to take it apart at the moment, but it will be interesting to take that apart and see what we've got in there. What we do need is a couple of AA batteries, so I'll pinch them out of here if I can get them out. Okay, so I'll put them in there. I just want to see it light up. You might be able to tell I'm quite interested in this. Okay, plug that into there, press the button. Ooh, and we have glowing wire. So is that going to cycle through? Yep, on, off, and flash, and off. Brilliant. I mean, the idea is you sort of wind these around in various patterns to make a sign. Don't know if we can see that on there. Hello, cool, peace, win, enter, open, hotel, Wi-Fi, I read that first of all and I thought it said wife, but it's Wi-Fi and wow. But I just wanted to turn it on and see it work. So, will it come apart easily, and will I ruin it if I try and do that? Feels like it might come apart. I suppose there's a screw under there by any chance, is there? Yes, there's a screw under there. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Take that out. Gently pull it apart. Okay, so we've got a chip on there. I'll have a look to see if I can see what it actually is in a minute. 4.7 microfarad, 104, 33R, 104, 10K. There's some that are not provided, 1K, 1K. That's 4.7 microfarad. Can we see the other side? Another screw. I don't want to break it. I really do not want to break it. We can see there is a transistor in there and a transformer. I think it's only held in place by these metal plates. I'll just have a little look off camera. Yeah, that's all it is. It's just the battery plates holding it together. So we can pull it apart. There's our push button, on off switch, transformer, and that actually says on it 8550. 855 or 9550, I can't quite see that with my glasses. So, if I hold it like that, we can actually see the printed circuit. But I don't know if we can see what that chip is. Cool. Slow cool. Flashing cool. Great fun. And very simple. I love that. I wonder how long it'll last once my grandchildren try and play with it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.